Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here. Back another break. Going old school today. Today I'm busting a box of 2002 Topps 206 Series 2 Baseball. Got a pretty good deal on a couple of boxes of this as well as 2003 Topps 205. Kind of a hard deal to pass up. But show you guys back here. Yeah, let's get to it. It is 20 packs with 8 cards per pack. Knife away. It's been about 13 years since I've busted this product. There's a checklist. Back when they used to put it in the hobby box. And there's this. A little introduction to 206. And here's the packs. Go ahead and get these out of here. Try to. Kind of tight. All right. Count them. Make sure we got them all. 2, 6, 8, 10. 10. All right. Here we go. Pack number 1. Show you guys the odds, actually. There we go. You guys can pause it and check out those odds. It's a really thick wrapper. There are short prints, stuff like that. So I'll have to go through all these when I'm done here and see what I got. Alex Rodriguez. Javier Vasquez. Jason Giambi. Jason Botts. I think that's a rookie card. Not bad. Ichiro. Insert. Alex Rodriguez, Polar Bear back, mini. Willie Mays, and I think that's Sam Chance, Frank Chance. I think it's Frank Chance. Card number 300. Let's set that aside. Yeah, again, I'm not sure what the short prints are. That's got a different back, different from those. And this one's different from all of them. So set those aside. I think this is a prospect or rookie. Pack number 2. Lance Berkman, Tino Martinez, Paul Lo Duca, Gary Sheffield, Todd Helton. Insert. I think there's one of those per pack. Could be wrong. Mini of Church. Not sure who that is. Doug Mintinovich, I think. And Joe Morgan. Yeah, I'm going to have to really go through a checklist and check all these out. Moises Alou, Ramos Ramirez, Randy Johnson, Joe Mauer. That's a rookie, Joe Mauer rookie. Randy Johnson, insert, dropping the minis. And Doyle. Can't think of his first name. Have heard of him though. Mini, polar bear back. That's a Piedmont back. So different backs to look out for too. So there's quite a bit to look out for in this product. Whitey Herzog and Hank Aaron. Roberto Alomar, Mariano Rivera, Johnny Damon, Brad Penny, Barry Bonds. Insert. Nolan Ryan mini. Oh, that's a nice one. Carolina Brights back. I don't recall ever pulling that back parallel. Todd Helton and Kazuhisa Ishii. Carolina Brights. Those are... don't see the odds for those minis. But I never pulled one when the product came out, so I think they're a little rare. And that's actually, you know, Nolan Ryan. That's a nice one to get, too. Good name. Take that. I think I ended up, after shipping, came to be about 50, no, not even 50. Ended up being about less than $30 per box after shipping. So Vladimir Guerrero, Mark Mulder, Tino Martinez again. Might as well check that out while I'm on camera. Yep, okay. Here's an example of variation. Two different Tino Martinez cards. So one of these is a rarer one than the other, so I'm going to set those off to the side. Ramos. Mario Ramos. Alex Rodriguez. Insert. Marlon Byrd, mini. As a Piedmont back. Doyle again. And Nolan Ryan. Large size. Regular size, not large. And it looks like there's a hit in this pack. So, let's start out with the mini. Roy Oswalt, polar bear back. Brazelton, Mark Mulder, Aramis Ramirez. I remember both those. Randy Johnson, Roberto Alomar, Rivera. Okay, so I'm getting some doubles here. That's why. And the hit is Mike Piazza. Not a bad one. Mike Piazza, framed mini relic. Not a bad hit. I did like this design. Not bad. I'll take that. Piazza. Sweet. Okay. Not bad. Actually, probably one of the probably the best name I've pulled from this product hit-wise. Albert Pujols, Milton Bradley, Ray Ordonez, Nomar Garciaparra, Jason Giambi, insert. Cordova, not sure who that is. Ruben Sierra, and Robin Yount. There are originals you can get, buybacks, so quite a bit. Albert Pujols again. So one of these, yep, okay. Example, two different Pujols. That's why I said I'll have to go through all this when I'm done. Roger Clemens, Alex Rodriguez, that's a different one. Scott Hairston, Sean Green, insert. Mark Mulder, polar bear. J.D. Martin and Reggie Jackson. Corey Patterson, Jason Giambi again. It's a different one. Andrew Jones, Adam Dunn, Chipper Jones, insert. Jason Giambi, polar bear back. Mike Schmidt, and Pedro Martinez. Mike Schmidt. I think that Pedro Martinez might be a short print. It seems like the last card in the pack is either a veteran Hall of Fame player or possibly a short print, so we'll see. Rafael Palmeiro, Brett Boone, Derek Jeter, Justin Schuda, Sammy Sosa, insert, Martin, not sure who that is, Piedmont back, Brooks Robinson, and Carlos Pena. Alright, next side. This pack does not want to open. Ramos Ramirez, Mariano Rivera, that's a different picture. Randy Johnson, that's a different uniform. Johnny Gomes, Pudge, nice insert. Kerry Wood, Polar Bear back. Austin Kearns, and Maggie. I cannot think of his first name for some reason. Or McGee. I think it's McGee. Probably not Maggie. It's probably McGee. Tino Martinez, Adam Dunn, Paul LaDuca, Chuck Knobloch, Luis Gonzalez, insert. Steven, I think that's Steven Drew. Polar Bear back. Tim McGraw, I think it's Tim. God, I'm going to feel like an idiot if it's not. It's probably not Tim McGraw. You guys gotta forgive me here. Tug McGraw. Tim McGraw. Johnny Damon. That didn't sound right when I said it. But Tug McGraw. Oh, man. I bet I crack you guys up with how badly I pronounce some of these names. Rafael Palmeiro. Rafael Soriano. Rafael Soriano. Alfonso Soriano. Ray Ordonez. Lara. Mauricio Lara. Omar Garcia Parra, insert. Church guy again. Piedmont back. I think that is the second one I got. Mark Pryor. And Cy Young. Nice. Seems like I've got a mini of this guy already. I did. Same backs, same backs. Sometimes there's subtle differences. Like one, he'll have an armband, the other he won't. In some of these parallels. So sometimes they're really subtle. Or a different colored hat or something. So it should be fun going through all these. Corey Patterson, Roger Clemens, Jason Giambi, Johnny Damon, Mike Piazza, insert. That is Chipper Jones, Polar Bear back, Tom Seaver, and Sean Burrows. All right, got another hit. Put that to the back. Feebles, not sure who that is. Yep, same one. Austin Kearns, Johnny Damon, Brad Penny, Vladimir Guerrero, Gobble, not sure who that is. Not gonna be upside down again, ain't it? Yep. And it is Andrew Jones. Not great, but not terrible. But Andrew Jones relic. Still like the design, nice looking card. Back when jersey cards used to be worth a lot. You get average 2 hits per box, so that should be my 2 hits. Unless, of course, I get a buyback, which would be awesome. Sean Green, Ivan Rodriguez, Nefi Perez, Shane Halter, Christian Guzman, insert. Sao, I don't know his name. Paul Konerko, and Ivan Rodriguez. Ivan Rodriguez. Alex Rodriguez. I'm not with it today, guys. I don't know what's going on with me. Bernie Williams. Derek Jeter. I think that's a different one. Shinjo. Tsuyoshi Shinzo. Alex Requena. Scott Rowland. Insert. Bernie Williams. Polar Bear Mini. Hank Aaron. And Carlos Feebles. Roger Cedeno, Ichiro, Benitez, Barry Bonds, Roger Clemens, and a different Bernie Williams mini, Polar Bear. So 2 different minis. Honus Wagner, sweet, and Robin Yount. Now I just need to pull the Honus Wagner original T206 card. Then we're all set. Larry Walker, Mark Mulder, Moises Alou, Gavin Floyd, Kurt Schilling insert, and Derek Jeter mini. Oh, wow, that's a red bag. Ooh, nice one, Derek Jeter, sweet. And some good parallel minis here. The Nolan Ryan, Carolina Brights back, and the Jeter red. Josh Beckett and Marlon Byrd. Nice. Good minis in this. I'll take them. Gary Sheffield, Alex Rodriguez, Johnny Damon, Kazi Saishi, Albert Pujols. I think that's a parallel. Barry Zito. Yeah, there was no mini in this pack. That's crazy. I got shorted a mini. Mark McGwire and Dewan Brazelton. Yeah, shorted a mini, I think. Unless I'm going crazy. And I didn't. I think I got shorted. I think. Yeah, it looks like I may have gotten shorted. Oh well. It happens. Not much you can do about it. Old product. But I'd say that was a pretty solid box. A nice little pile of Hall of Famers and stuff here. And there could be parallels in here, so I'll have to go through all these. The hits. Andrew Jones and Mike Piazza. Relics. These, before I get to the minis, the Joe Mauer rookie. Cool. But these 2 right here, these are pretty good. The Nolan Ryan, Carolina Brights, and the Derek Jeter red. So that's pretty sweet. But yeah, not bad. I'll take it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have more coming. Thanks for watching.